campsite, and
then we start setting up.
That's right. Are you excited, Troy?
Yeah,
Where's
I'm
your
excited.
Where's your Davy Crockett hat?
Yeah.
Oh, you're wearing it?
Davy Crockett.
All right.
Now put chocolate in here. Is that just the camera blue?
I think it's just the shadow. Look at all this stuff way packed back there. Woo! We're super excited, guys. Look at these trees.
In 6 miles, we have to make a right.
They're so cute. I love the simple country lifestyle. Like,
Yeah.
who cares about the city these days?
I'm ready to move to the country.
Nobody. Look at all the trees. I love it. You guys, look how dead it is here.
I love it.
Nothing. Zero
Perfect.
people.
Perfect. That's
Troy.
when you want to come to Ginnie Springs.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
He's back there. Don't worry, guys. We didn't drop him off and leave him stranded. Guys, we are finally at our campsite.
Yep.
And we're about to take you around.
Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Quite the space. Quite the space.
There's a little trail that leads back there.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
A trail.
Pretty nice.
We've got some neighbors over here. A trail, Troy.
Ooh.
Oh.
Pretty cool. We'll have to explore that. All right, so now we got to figure out our set.
Wow. All right, guys, we are just about finished setting up our campsite. I realized I didn't get us setting this up. It's just a pop-up anyway, so not really that big of a deal. But let me show you what you got. Knock, knock.
We've heard some other spots too, like
Let's go see it.
Can we see inside, please? Zoop. Troy's in here with his little friends, chilling. We got the air mattress for Daddy and I. We got Troy's little pallet.
So what do you want? You want blueberries?
That sounds really yummy.
What do you want?
Blueberry sounds good.
What do you want?
Blueberries.
Okay.
We got our grill and all of our stuff. This right here we make like little pizzas in. We got our cast iron over here. Throw them to me. Thank you. We got this for our dishes. We got this for washing our hands. And then right here is our net tent, so no flies allowed. This is where all our food and stuff is gonna be. And then right here in the center, we are going to make a fire pit in just a few minutes.
In there?
Yep.
Very good, Troy.
All right, that's good. That's good.
He's got a little one.
No, the little one, yes.
The fire is hot, guys. Literally, it's a fire. Right, Troy? Grilling veggies on a cast iron when you're camping is a must.
There you go.
Alright guys, so our tiny little fire went from that to this. So what we did was we put in some logs, we let them burn, and then now I have created a teepee around the main fire. That way it burns straight through the middle. And once these all implode, I'm then going to bring one of these big logs and put it right there. So I kind of already put one right here. This one's waterlogged, this one, but it'll burn. That's a lot of heat, so it'll burn. But yeah, that's how you build a fire, guys. And we have quite a bit of wood for the night, so. Well, you guys, we are leaving our trip.
Sure was a lot of fun.
It was so much fun, and
Yeah.
we're definitely doing this again soon. So we got another one planned already. Thanks for coming along, guys. Until the next adventure.
Deuces.